Good day everyone, Alice here from Vancouver Financial Network. Today is January 6, 2022 and I'm here from Vancouver Financial Network channel on Telegram, just giving you update for one of the ETF that is very interesting, especially in today's market situation, which is VHT, and VHT is Vanguard Healthcare ETF. Okay, before going to the chart, I want to show you what is in Vanguard Healthcare ETF, which is VHT holding. Let's go to holding, see what they have got in their portfolio. All right, so here is VHT, and ETF gives me a very decent, sizable, good companies, which is United Health, Johnson & Johnson, Pfizer, Thermo Fisher, Abbott Laboratories, and DHR, and also AbbVie, Eli Lilly, and those companies like Merck and the other ones. So CVS as well. So we have got a very good combination of pharmaceutical companies, healthcare companies, financial like insurance fund companies like United Health, and also the vaccine producers like Pfizer and Merck, and those companies like Amgen, also their pharmaceutical companies. So they're all good companies with a good decent diversification, and also the MER is pretty low, which I really like to have it, like a low MER, and this one is pretty good. And today this data is based on January 5th, which is not today's date, but I'm sure that this one is coming down more in January 6th, as we are expecting another market like a tumbling today, just lastly. And today this ETF goes down another 1%, sitting at $254.12 for this ETF. Okay, so here is the weekly chart, which is pretty interesting. So we are kind of like a closing below 20 SMA and 21 EMA, which is the first support. I'm not surprised after hitting a new all-time high last week, and this week sharp sell-off just came to the market. All the industries got impacted, and this one as well. So I'm looking for another going down, and probably this week or next week. But if we are going to let me just give you going to a weekly, daily. Daily is pretty interesting, I want to say. We have a W pattern, so everyone can be like a bullish on this W pattern, but I'm like kind of like a hesitant about that, just because we had the W pattern in all the indices, especially like S&P, Nasdaq, or even Dow Jones. You can see this W pattern last October, like October 2020, but this one is kind of like a larger scale of this W pattern. As you see, this W pattern, when we hit all-time high, sharp sell-off coming back down, but had a very pretty nice support on the 20 SMA on the weekly basis, and then find the bottom, set it up for another new all-time high. But now it's kind of like a different story, because this one just like a hard knife cutting a butter, cutting 20 SMA and 20 and 50 SMA and also 100 SMA. So settle down on 150 SMA on the daily candle, which is 254. So 254 is a good area for daily support, as it is oversold, not completely. Like if you're going to see MACD, we're still above this low. We are not getting too much oversold. RSI still, we have decent amount to the oversold area. We are at a 38% reading. Still we are 8% above 30% reading. And also stochastic, the fast line goes to oversold, but still the red one, which is a slow one, still we have decent amount time to get into the oversold area and cross over. So I would say still we are waiting for another probably consolidation to going down, or probably 2-3 days like backing and filling, and then going down here to 249, just because it is pretty solid area for the support. Here is the gap, here's the sharp move to the upside, and also I should say everyone should do that. Here is the Fibonacci retracement from all-time high. Let me just do a couple of adjustments. So here we are settling at 61.8 retracement, which is pretty important level for everyone. But I'm looking for, to be honest, a deeper correction to here, to 250. This is pretty solid, and it's going to be like a gap window here, and 20 SMA on the daily chart, 249, which for the next days probably this one goes to sitting around here. So 249, 250 for daily is going to be nice area for buy. But if you go to weekly, still we are if you're going to weekly, what should we say? We should say here is the support, here is the support, nice support to higher low, and then 250 and 248, 246 is a 42 EMA on the weekly basis and a 50 SMA on the weekly basis as well. So I would say 246 to 250 based on weekly and daily, we have nice support here. So still we have like a 4 points to this level. So anything if we get there, so I'm gonna just give a shot, like probably first shot of my buying opportunity is gonna be there. But the next one, which is pretty solid, and to be honest, I'm just waiting for this one, is this. Look at this one in the weekly chart. We have like a nice wide range bar consolidation, couple of back tests above 20 SMA, and then new all-time high, set for new all-time high. So I would say the orders are here, just because we had like a recent a sharp sell-off and then going back up. This wide range bar took lots of energy to break through this new all-time high, and just put like all his friends as a consolidation for setting up a new all-time high. So I would say this, if this one goes down, and that would be double top pattern, M pattern satisfies, we are testing another one for the new all-time high. So I would say this area is pretty nice area for buying based on weekly chart. Everyone needs to pay attention to that. 229, 237, and if you're going to another higher level, which is monthly, so 231 is a pretty nice support here, again coming along with our second weekly dip, which was here, right? So if you're going to the weekly chart again, if you're going to weekly chart, so my levels are 230 to 237, okay, 230 to 37, and also look at the indicator as well. So indicators showing a sell signal on the weekly chart, which I assume even if this one gives us short bounce on daily, we're going to get there. And if we're getting there, probably this 100 SMA on the weekly chart coming for our support. So 230 to 37. Let's see what we got in monthly chart. 230 to 37. So if you're going there, just draw a line, change it to 230. Okay, so I would say around this, right? Oops. Yeah. This one. Fantastic, huh? So I would say this wide range bar, April 2021, is institution money. So this institution money can gives us opportunity for buying new one to 239, which is SMA, and this one is coming here probably next month or so. So SMA 20 along with I would say let's save it there, not missing next time. So SMA 20 on the monthly basis plus 21 EMA on a monthly basis. Here is the weekly. These things coming together and gives me good setup for first shot here, then second shot here. Okay, so I would wait for probably this area, then this area to buy this VHT, which is pretty nice. If I buy this one, it means I have United Health, I have Pfizer, I have AbbVie, I have Eli Lilly, I have Merck, I have all those stuff in one basket, which is pretty nice. Okay, so hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, please give us like, or if you have got any question, please give us your comments in the chat box down there. Wish you have a wonderful weekend just coming in 2 days. Have a good one. Bye.